Hello students, good morning everybody and welcome back. Today we are discuss about the nomenclature of hydrocarbons. Nomenclature means the naming system. How to name the hydrocarbons. It is a heart of organic chemistry or heart of that chapter. That means it is very necessary for all compounds naming by the rules. You are already known about there is two systems. One is a common or trivial name and the another one is IUPAC system. First upon we are discuss about the common name system. In that common name system there is some prefix used as, that is n, iso, neo, primary, secondary or tertiary. There is some prefixes used in a common name system. Then first upon we see at which position or in which position the prefix are used. In a first example there is 1 2 3 4 4 carbon atom chain. It is a normal, no branched, it is a straight chain. If a normal or straight chain, then use a prefix n. N means it is a normal chain. It is a halogen derivatives. You are already known about it. We are discussing about it because there is a replacement of one halogen atom of that carbon atom by one halogen, that is the bromine. In place of bromine we can use chlorine, iodine, so on. Then count the carbon. There is 1 2 3 and 4. Select the straight chain first upon at which a halogen atom is attached. There is a 4 carbon atom chain, so it is named as but, that is butyl. So it is named as butyl, and the halogen atom is named as halide, that is a bromine, which have name bromide. If it is a chlorine, then we name chloride. If it is a iodine, then we can write iodide. Halogen atoms are used as name halides, that is bromide, chloride, iodide, chloride, so on. That means in a normal chain or a straight chain the prefix is used n. In that situation the prefix we can use n, means normal. Then after the second example, that is example B, there is also 4 carbon atoms, but the position of carbon atom is different than the first example because there is a one branch, one methyl branch at a second position that satisfied the iso position. In common name system the position is known as iso. So in that situation we can write the prefix iso. Same, there is a 4 carbon atom, so we can write butyl. There is one halogen atom, it is also bromine. You can take it chlorine or iodine. Then isobutyl bromide. Why iso is used? Because there is a branch on a second carbon atom. That like situation is satisfied as iso position. Then after the next example, in that example there is a two branches on a one carbon atom. The halogen atom containing compound which have two branches on a carbon atom. As like that position satisfies that a neo, that situation is satisfied as neo, so we can write neo. See here, there is 5 carbon atoms, 1 2 3 4 and 5. There is a one carbon atom which have two branches, two methyl branches. If there is one branch, then it is known as iso. If there is two branches, then it is known as neo. That like position in common name, we give the prefix neo. There is a number of carbon atom is 5, so it is pentyl, so it is known as pentyl. There is halogen atom, that is iodine, so it is right as iodide. Then the name of that compound is neopentyl iodide. Understand it? Then after the next prefixes, see here, there is also 4 carbon atoms, but the halogen atom is attached to a second carbon atom. In the previous examples, the carbon atom is attached to first carbon atom, it is also attached to first carbon atom, but there is the halogen atom is attached to a second carbon atom. That position satisfies the secondary, that means the position of that carbon atom at which a bromine atom is attached. The carbon is secondary because that carbon is directly linked to other two carbon atoms. One is here, one is here, directly linked with or bonded with two carbon atoms, so the position of that carbon atom is secondary, and that carbon is directly linked to that halogen atom, that is bromine, so we give a prefix secondary, and it have 4 carbon atoms, so it write as butyl, and the halogen atom, it is a bromine, so write as bromide. Then after the next example, there is a branch of a methyl on same carbon atom, the halogen atom is attached. Then the position of that carbon atom is necessary or very important, at which the halogen atom is directly bonded or linked. In that example, the position of that carbon atom is secondary, but in that position the position of that carbon atom is tertiary, because that carbon is directly linked with 3 carbon atoms, that is 1, 2 and 3 carbon atom. As like that carbon atom is directly attached to halogen atom, then the prefix used as tertiary, because the halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom, so it is write as tertiary, and it contains 4 carbon atoms, so it is butyl, and the halogen atom we take here bromine, so it is write as bromide. That means we are seen about the prefix n, that is normal, iso branch on second, neo two branches on second, secondary, that means the carbon atom which is attached to the halogen atom is a secondary, whichever nature is secondary, and the next that carbon atom have a tertiary, and that tertiary carbon atom is directly attached to halogen, so it is known as tertiary. Then after the next example, in common name system, there is a benzene ring. In organic compounds, in all chapters the benzene ring must be present. That is, that benzene ring is directly attached to a halogen atom, that is chlorine. We write here chlorine. In monohalogen, common and IUPAC names are same. In arenes only. In arenes, the monohalogen compounds, that means which contains only one halogen atom, the common name and IUPAC names are same. First write the name of a halogen atom. There is a halogen is chlorine, but here write chloro. Then after write the benzene, that is chlorobenzene. It is a simple one and the same as like the common name and IUPAC name. There is the next example, the benzene ring attached to two halogen atoms. The benzene ring attached to two halogen atoms. One is here, one is here. In benzene ring there is a 6 carbon atoms. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The position first when a halogen atom is attached. Anywhere you can take the position 1. Then after clockwise or anti-clockwise you can take this number. We consider here that is 1. Then after 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There is a 6 carbon atoms. There is 2 and 6, the position 2 and 6 which have same name, that is ortho. We take the prefix ortho when the other halogen atom is attached to number 2 or 6. These positions are same. On this position we known as ortho. The next one is 3, 5. It is known as meta. And the number 4, that is pair. If the halogen atom is attached to 4th carbon atom, then it is known as pair. See here some examples. There is 2 halogen atoms. One is here and another is here. The next carbon atom is attached to carbon number 3. We are giving number clockwise, that is 1, 2, 3. If we are giving number anti-clockwise, then it gets more number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a greater number. We must be write a less number or a minimum number to the branches. So we can write numbering from numbering as a clockwise. Then 1, 2 and 3. See here the 3 and 5 position. It may be 3 or it may be 5. It get name meta. So we can write m, small m, that means meta. From a first chlorine to a second chlorine, the difference between two chlorines are indicated by, that is m. M means the position of the second carbon is third from a first. So we can write in common names, that is meta. There is 2 chlorine because already one is considered here. M means the position of a second halogen atom. One is already here. It doesn't consider or it does not mention the second halogen atom at which carbon atom it is attached. That is the meta position. So meta dichloro, because there is 2 chlorine atoms, meta dichlorobenzene. The next example, there is a 3 halogen atoms. In that example, the 3 halogen atoms are bonded to a benzene ring. The position of that halogen atoms are as, consider there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. From 1 to 2 position, the first is the bromine at a first position, the second bromine is at the second position, then after 3 and then after 4. Consider the second position, that is second or 6, known as ortho. So you can write O. For that halogen atom we consider here O. And the next halogen atom, there is at a position 1, 2, 3 and 4 position, that is a para position. So we can write P. OP. O for that halogen atom, P for the next halogen atom. That halogen atom does not mention here the position because it is already in one position. The second halogen atom is at ortho position and the third halogen atom is at the para position, and there is totally 1, 2, 3 halogen atom. So we can write tri bromo. The name of the halogen atom is bromo. Then after a benzene ring. So ortho para tribromo benzene. It is a simple name by a common name system. Then after the next example, there is 3 halogen atoms attached to a benzene ring. There is also 3 halogen atoms, but they are not equidistant. In that example, the all halogen atoms are in equidistance from each other. See here, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. That means if there is the halogen atoms are on a same distance, then we can write symmetrical. We can shortly write sim, SYM, sim. Symmetrical. How many halogen atoms? 1 2 3. So it is tri. Then after bromo, benzene. One type of that. And the another method is, consider there is 1 2 3. 3 means, see here, meta. 3 4 5. There is a meta position, the both halogen atoms are attached. So we can also write yum tribromo benzene. Okay, I think you are understanding the common name system. Then after, at the next video, we can start IUPAC system.